Trieste, it's more than just another Italian city. It's a cultural crossroads that many travelers overlook, but shouldn't.
Exactly. This article highlights how Trieste's identity is shaped by its history as a major port under the Austro-Hungarian Empire, giving it a unique blend of Italian and Austrian influences.
That Habsburg legacy really stands out, doesn't it? I imagine the architecture is pretty impressive.
Oh, absolutely. The grand neoclassical buildings along the waterfront give it a Central European feel, almost like a mini Vienna, but right on the Adriatic.
So if someone's visiting for the first time, what should they see? Is it a walkable city?
Yeah, Trieste's super walkable. Start at Piazza Unità d'Italia, then stroll along Molo d'Ace for amazing views, and definitely soak up the coffee culture at a historic cafe.
What about Miramar Castle? The article mentions that it's a must-see.
Oh, Miramar is stunning. Perched on a cliff overlooking the sea, it really is like a fairy tale. Plus, it's an easy trip by train or bus.
And when it comes to food, what kind of culinary experience can you expect?
Trieste's cuisine is a mix of Italian, Slavic, and Central European flavors, so there's something for everyone. I would say that Degusteria KM0 is a unique culinary gem that promises an authentic, delightful, and incredibly welcoming experience.
Sounds delicious. Now, regarding accommodations, any hotel recommendations?
The article suggests S1 luxury suites and rooms for modern comfort in the city center, and DoubleTree by Hilton for a blend of classic charm and contemporary style.
What about exploring beyond the city? Are there any easy day trips?
Oh, definitely. The Karst Plateau and Grotta Gigante are nearby, offering incredible natural wonders. Plus, Venice is just a short train ride away for a classic Italian experience.
So Trieste is really a gateway to so many different experiences. It sounds like a place that offers a unique and sophisticated travel experience.